Assalamu alaikum and welcome to today's very important lesson on adjectives, as-sifat. Okay, this is a very important part of the Arabic language which you'll find in a lot of places in the Quran generally and in general everyday usage of Arabic. So it's very important to understand how does the Mawsuf Sifah. Mawsuf Sifah means, okay, the Mawsuf, which is the noun, and the Sifa, which is the word describing the noun. How does the Mawsuf Sifa structure work, and how does it work in Arabic? Okay, it's very important. So this is what we'll cover today. Okay, so in English, when we want to describe something, for example, we want to say thin boy. Okay, we first say the adjective thin followed by the noun boy. Okay, we want to say fast car. Okay, first the adjective fast followed by the noun car. However, in Arabic we always start with the noun first. Okay, and it makes more sense as well because that's the main subject of the main subject, so we always start with the noun first. Okay, so if we have a look at the first example, we have a look at this example here. هذا بيت صغير. So if we have a look at this example, هذا بيت صغير. Okay, the meaning of this is a small house. Okay, as you can see, the word bait comes first before صغير. Okay, so the word bait comes first, so that is a noun followed by the adjective صغير. So in English it's reverse. Now, in a Mawsuf Sifah structure, there are four things that you need to keep in mind. Four things that must occur between a Mawsuf Sifah structure. Specifically now we're talking about Baytun Saghirun. Okay? So the first thing is the gender. Bayt is a masculine word. Therefore the word describing must be masculine also. So Saghir. Notice how Saghir is a masculine word. Okay? If it was Kabir, big, we would use the word Kabir. Okay? We must use masculine. Okay? So that's the first thing. Gender. The next is plurality. So the word bait, as you can see, is singular. Okay, it's not baitan, okay, or buyut. It's bait, singular. That means the adjective must also be singular. So as you can see, saghir. It's not saghiran. Okay. Next is the ending. Okay. What do you mean? What do I mean by the ending? So see how on top of the ta there is a un. So baytun. That means the adjective also must end in un. If it was baytan, the ending must end in an. If it was baytin, must be saghirin. Okay. So that is also very important. That relates to grammar. You don't really need to know why, but you just need to know that you must have the same ending. And lastly, definiteness. Okay. What do I mean by definiteness? Okay, as you can see, this is a small house. هذا بيت صغير. It's not saying this is the small house. Okay. If it was the, there would be al in front. So it would become al baytu saghiru. Okay, al baytu as-saghiru. The tanween would drop. Okay, if it was definite. So this would, from saghirun, it would become as-saghiru. Baytun, it would become al baytu. Okay, so these are the four things you must remember for Mawsuf Sifah: gender, plurality, ending, and definiteness. These four things must match in every Mawsuf Sifah structure. So let us have a look at the next example. هذه مدرسة كبيرة. Okay, as you can see, madrasa is a feminine word. That's why kabira is in feminine. Okay, in terms of plurality, madrasa is singular, kabira is singular. Ending, madrasatun. ends with the un. Kabiratun ends with an un. Definiteness, they're both, madrasa is indefinite, therefore kabira is also indefinite. So we have madrasatun kabiratun. Okay, so they match in those four aspects. Next example also, ta'amun ladhidhun, delicious food. Again, we have the noun first, which is food, ta'am, followed by the sifa, okay, the adjective ladhid. Okay, and again they all match in gender, plurality, ending, and definiteness. Okay, they're both, ta'am is masculine, okay, singular, it's got un, which is marfu', but you don't need to know that now. Ta'amun ladhidun, and it's, the ta'am is indefinite. And last example, sayyaratun sari'ah, okay, fast car. Again, feminine, sayyara is feminine, okay, singular, ends with an un, and is indefinite. Okay, so inshallah, I hope that clarifies this topic, which is really important to know the Mawsuf Sifah structure. If you want to go look at the Quran, you can find many Mawsuf Sifah in the Quran. Okay, and that is a fun exercise that you can do, and inshallah you've learned. If you didn't understand, then we can discuss in class, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.